recess pending jury deliberations. The defendants are directed to remain close at hand so that they will be available and can be notified as soon as the jury has reached a verdict or further proceedings need to be conducted. And I guess I would ask the same thing of you, Mr. Ertsguaard. Are you going to be around?
The clerk knows where I'll be.
All right. We'll be in recess.
Too much. Too much. Can't believe it. We'll be either out front or in the coffee shop. We'll stay in the building or out front.
If you go anywhere else, just come and let me know, okay?
Okay. I don't believe that we will.
Okay.
Oh, that's too much, huh? You really got to follow what he said.
That's fine.
4 days to take a recess.
That's fine.
You never told them off. No, I don't care. We'll go outside. Let me get my stuff here. Just further outrage the whole world.
I understand the jury has reached a verdict. Is that correct? And who is the presiding juror?
I am.
Okay, you're, for your name, I guess you're Mr. Kurtz, right? Mr. Kurtz, have you completed the verdict forms?
Yes.
Would you hand the verdict forms to the bailiff, please? Can you tell me, are these all unanimous verdicts of the jury? Okay. I've been handed verdict forms signed by Mr. Kurtz as presiding juror. I will read the verdict forms in substance at least that have been handed to me. In the case of the State versus Wilbur GASTON, verdict is, we the jury find number 1, violation of stalking protective order, not guilty. Number 2, violation of stalking protective order, not guilty. 3, contempt of court, not guilty. 4, contempt of court, not guilty. In the case of the State of Oregon versus Pamela GASTON, the verdict is, we the jury find in item number 1, violation of stalking protective order, not guilty. Number 2, contempt of court, not guilty. Both dated today, signed by Mr. Kurtz as presiding juror. Counsel wish to examine the verdict forms. They're forms. You know what the forms are, and I've read to you the substance of what the jurors have filled in.
I have a question. May I ask a question? First of all, I want to say thank you to this jury, but I would like to ask a question. When we discussed the idea that if they believed by preponderance that we had proved a conspiracy, that all charges would be thrown out and all related case is all of it thrown out, that was not put on your verdict form. That's why I was so upset earlier, because there wasn't a place for them to actually mark that we had approved, that we had by preponderance. So I would like to hear that on the record, that we have by preponderance established this conspiracy. Could we do that?
Your Honor, that's inappropriate. There
Well, I
are
don't
no
believe
special
it.
jury verdicts
record,
allowed in criminal
Verdict
cases,
forms
Your
will
Honor.
be received and filed. The jury is discharged with our thanks. We thank you. We appreciate your patience.
Just a minute, 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 just a minute.
Wait just a minute, please.
One minute.
Just a second, you guys.
They are excused and they can leave.
Thank you.
Public building.
Thank you.
I'm not going to, just for your information, I'm not going to poll the jury on special interrogatories or questions as you proposed in your verdict form.
We're satisfied here, Your Honor.
Could I ask, or at least could I just say it differently then? Did we in fact just establish that they agreed with, that we did show by preponderance that there was a conspiracy, that's why they threw it all out?
No, Your Honor.
I cannot say that, Mrs. Mazier. The form of instructions that I gave allowed the jury to consider a number of things in determining a guilty or not guilty verdict. I want to say one other thing for the record, though, because I think it's important that I do so. The objection was raised by the prosecution that contempt matters are non-jury matters. And I think historically and traditionally that is true. The state in the charging documents elected to treat these matters as criminal matters. The defendants, based thereon, requested a jury trial. And I said, okay, I'll submit it to the jury. I submitted to the jury the same facts that I would have decided, and I consider that as an advisory finding. I am not going to disturb that finding. I'm going to let it stand.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judgment will be entered on the verdicts.
Just a moment. Get in, Darby. Stand up.
Yes, yes, all of our warriors here.
We're adjourned.